In this week's episode of Water Care Wednesday, we're talking about a new product, Spa Naturally Spa Moss. The Spa Moss system replaces two products in the traditional water care setup, Metalgon and Defender. So what's in the box? Spa Moss strips, 2 of them, pre-filter, and the Spa Flush. Breakaway flush removes all the junk from your hot tub so you can start fresh. Spa Naturally pre-filter removes all the metals and impurities from your water. And 2 Spa Moss strips, which are good for 1 month apiece. First, remove the filter from your hot tub. Next, you pour the whole bottle of breakaway flush, run for 1 to 2 hours, drain, and wipe down. Using the Spa Naturally pre-filter, refill your tub. Balance your hot tub by using Spa Up or Spa Down. Take your filter, place a strip of moss in there, put it back into your hot tub. Spa Moss takes care of metals and calcium and maintains pH levels for 1 month. That's it for this episode of Water Care Wednesday. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below. Subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you guys next week.